Product reformulation starts with an oil change. Consumer demand for product transparency has skyrocketed, and as a result, food manufacturers are looking for ingredients that provide cleaner labels and great taste. If you are creating a product that includes oil or other fats, you should consider non-GMO sunflower oil. USA sunflower oil is readily available and comes in both mid-oleic and high-oleic formats. Sun oil is a premium oil that has several functional benefits, making it ideal for a variety of food formulations.
Hi, I'm Steve Owen, Senior Vice President at Caldic Canada. Some of our customers are looking for an oil that will extend the shelf life of their products, and others are looking for a superior fry oil with a high smoke point. Whether they are formulated snack foods, specialty foods, or ethnic foods, they need an oil that offers excellent stability, and USA sunflower oil meets their needs. We also create custom blends for our customers, and since sunflower oil blends well with other fats and oils, this provides formulation solutions and often greater cost savings.
Sunflower oil is very high in monounsaturated fat, and as a result, it has greater stability and provides longer shelf life than many oils. This is definitely something food manufacturers are looking for.
Hi, I'm John Shackelford. I'm the corporate chef here at Giraffe Foods. At Giraffe Foods, we create sauces, dressings, and condiments for our food service and retail customers. For those customers specifically looking for a non-GMO claim, we typically suggest the use of sunflower oil in the formulation. One of the things that our customers like about sunflower oil is the light, neutral taste. This allows the true flavor from the other ingredients in the products to come through.
In addition to many positive functional benefits, sunflower oil has several health benefits, making it an ideal choice for vegan, free from, and natural food products. It is also kosher and halal certified. Sunflower oil is an excellent source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that is good for heart health. In fact, researchers at the University of Toronto found that the monounsaturated fat in sunflower oil not only helps to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, it also boosts HDL, good cholesterol. Consumers believe that sunflower oil is a healthy oil, and 64% indicate that they are interested in purchasing products made with sun oil. Many food manufacturers have already switched to sunflower oil. So whether you are formulating a new snack food, a specialty or ethnic food, or mealtime foods, there is a plentiful supply of sunflower oil readily available. If you are curious about how sunflower oil will perform in your formulations, contact a supplier or visit the National Sunflower Association at sunflowernsa.com.